Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the second regular puzzle in today's newspaper on a Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, November the 25th, 2022. And I've told you earlier, we have no extra puzzles, no additional in today's newspaper. So I will do the rest of the puzzles uh, of the yesterday's newspaper. Yes. Two puzzles are left. The regular puzzle, because I've done the first one, the binary. So the killer Sudoku and the medium Sudoku are left, and I will start with this one. Yes. This one will be number 5524. News of today. Well, told you earlier. War day number 273 days ago. The war started in Ukraine. And everything changed in the world. Yes. Alright. Medium Sudoku. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve. But for a puzzle with 26 printed digits, if we compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, Sudokus in the additional. This will be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need to be my time limit 15 to 20 minutes. I need to solve that puzzle. Is this really a 2 stars? We don't know, so let's get started. Alright. A lot of 9s. Can I start with a 9? Yeah, 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the middle row. No 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright. Okay. One, two, three, four missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in this box. Here, 9 in this column, so no 9 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. You see here 9 in the last row, no 9 there. Here 9 in that row, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 in the second column should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column. So in the column between, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. You see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. Here 9 in the second row, so no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is the one, number 9. Alright. 4 8s, okay. Yeah, 3 8s. 8 8, no, I cannot. Start with 8 8 8. And we have here 8 8. No, 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 no. 8 5 1. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1 5 8 1 5 8 1 5 8 1 5 8. And look, we have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. So the 1 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. So 1 is left in this big square for the number 5. Alright, 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 4, 4. Then the 4 in this column, first column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Two. 6 and yeah. 2, 6 and a 3. Let me think. 2, 2. 5. Come on. 1. But 7 then. 7. I'm thinking. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have an 8 in this column. So no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here an 8. Oh wait. Here an 8 in this row. So no 8 in those 2 boxes. And there an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8. And look, we have 3 and 8 in this column, so no 3 and 8 in this box. The 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 now in this first column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there, so 1 digit left in this row for the number 6. Alright. 2, 5, 7. 7. 6. 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. 5, and 1. 5, 2. I'm thinking 2, 5. 254. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 4 I should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the last column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in the middle row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. Alright, then 8, 2, 2. Well, we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the third row, so the row between the second row, only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. You see a 2 in the last column, so no 2 there, here 2 in the column next, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. Two missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this second row. No 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then, yeah. 6, 3, 4, 4. 8, the 9. How about the 7 then? 7. No. 9, 2. Need a 2. Need a 2. 2 and 1. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 and a 2 in this third column, so no 1 and 2 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square for numbers? The 1 and 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 6, 7. 7, 5, yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 2, 5, 7. 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7. And look, we have a 2 and a 7 in the third column. So no 2 and a 7 in this box. The 2 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. So 1 digit left in this big square. For number 5. 5, 6. 1 digit left in the third column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Overlook this 3. All right, so 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6. And look, we have a 1 and a 6 in this column, so no 1 and a 6 in this box. The 1 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in the second row for the number 5. Alright. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the first column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s, oh, not used. 7 and a 5, not used. Not used, cannot continue. All right, 2 numbers. No. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7. Let me think. 3, 2, 9, 4, 4. Well, 3, 6. 6. No. Need a 7 here. 7. 1, 2, 8. Come on. 1, 2, 3. 3, 7, and 8. 8. 3, 7. Yeah, no. 3, 7, and 8. Come on. 7, Overlooked. One in this column, one in the middle column, so the column next. Only place left for the one should be there. One in the third row, one in the second row, so in the first row. Only place left for the one should be there. One in the two, we have a one now in the first column, so no one there. One should be here, and the two goes there. 1 and 8, we have a 1 now in the last row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 1. Alright. 2 numbers left in the second column. For numbers 2 and 7, 2 and 7, we have a 2 in the third row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the third row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this third row for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3, and the 7 cannot fill this yet. Alright. Alright. Then, let me see. 8, yeah. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 7 and a 3. Alright. 2 numbers are left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 7 and a 5. Well, we have a 5 now in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 7 and 3. We have a 7 now in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Find no 2 numbers of this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7, we have a 7. In this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars puzzle, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last regular puzzle, a killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.